Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. In our last class, I explained the theory part of the table concept, employee, category and brand and products. These are the tables I explained in my last tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to teach how to create these tables on the database. Okay. Before going to create the database, we see what is the technology we are using to develop this point of sale system. In our last system, we developed the project using C#.net in our last point of sale system. In this point of sale system, I am going to develop the project at VB.net and MySQL. This one will be the backend part, this is the front end part. The database is a MySQL. I am using the database MySQL server. The technology I am using the Visual Basic.net. Okay, let me see. Okay, the difference between C#.net and VB.net is the VB.net the technology is very easy than C#.net. Okay, let's moving to our database concept, how to create the tables and database. Okay, let's go. And I already installed the Xampp server and connected. This one will be our Xampp server. If you don't know the idea of how to install the Xampp server, you go through my previous videos and watch how to install the Xampp server. Okay, let's close it. After install the Xampp server, you go to the address bar, Google address bar, browse address bar and type localhost and press enter. Then you can get this kind of dashboard. Here, click on the PHP My Admin. This is the place where you're going to create your database and table. Here, the first option will be in this dashboard, new. You just click on this one. Here, over here, you have to create the database name first. What is the database you are going to create here? Okay, let's create as postmain. This is the database name, postmain. After enter the name, hit create button. Now your database has been created successfully. You can see the database name at the top here. This is the database name. After that, you can show the text box here. Here it asks, what is that you created the database successfully. Now what is the table are you going to create? Okay, here what's the table you have to going to create here? The first I am going to create the table as category. Okay, this one I will create it later, employee table. First I am going to create the simple tables, category and brand and product. Okay, let's create the table as category. Category table consists of 3 columns. So here we simply enter category. How many columns you need? Here default come as false. You change as 3 and click go. That's it. Here you have 3 columns here. Now what I am going to do is here, you have to type the name of the column. First always will be the ID. This one will be the int. Length will be 11. Here you have to make it as index primary. Go. It's auto increment. The ID will be auto increment. Here you make it as auto increment. After that, this one will be the cat ID. Category ID, I short form I wrote is cat ID. This one will be the cat ID. This one will be 11. After that, you have to write it as a category name. So let me write as CA name. That one will be CA name, mean that is a category name. Okay. This one make it as data type. We can make it as varchar. This is 255 characters. Okay, this is belongs to integer category. This is because this is a number. This is the text. we have to write the category name, it's called as text, so that we have to make it as watch. Okay, this also id also number, so that we have to make it as int. Okay, I hope you guys you understood this table well. Okay, let's hit save button and save this table. Okay, successfully this table saved successfully, the category table saved successfully. Here you have to click on the structure of the category table. This is a structure, id, auto increment, category id. Another one is a category name. You can see the type, what is the type you gave here. If you have any wrong while writing the coding, you can check here, you gave the data type as correct or not. Okay, you have to click on the structures and you can make sure. Okay, this is very must. Okay, structure will be database table structure will be very must when you are writing the coding. Okay, let's move into the another table. We successfully create the category table. Now we have to make the another table, so we go back to our Word documents. Here another one is a brand table, so go to the click on the new, here we have to select the database. This is a database. You have to select the database here. You just select the database. Inside the database we have a table only, we have a table category. Here in this database I am going to create another table as brands. This is the table. Brand table consists of 3 columns, as we did like a category item, consists of 3 columns: id, brand name. Same thing you have to write over here. Brands, how many columns you need? 3 columns. Click go. These are the 3 columns. So here first one will be the id. This the data type will be int. The length will be 11. Here you have to make it as primary index. You have to make it as primary and with auto increment. Another column will be brand id. So brand id, br id. Let me put br id for short forms. Let me write. This also integer data type. This length will be 11. Another thing is a brand name. So br name. Let me write as br name. Brand name should be watcher because it should be a text. The length will be 215 characters. That's it. Here you just click save button and save the table of brands. Okay, now we successfully created two tables. The main one is a post database. We have created post main database. We have created 2 tables, which is a brand and category. Now we have to create one more table. Again you click new. Another one is if you go on anything wrong, you just select this one, main. Okay, don't click new table. Okay, here you click post and post main. Okay, so that you can get your main database here, database name here. Here you have to specify the table name and number of columns you need. Okay, you just click on this, don't click new. Okay, so here how many column and rows you need? Here you need 12 columns are there on the product table. So first one is a product ID, product ID, product name. So here let me make it as 12, and the table name is product. It's a table name, product. Click go. First one will be the ID. This always a auto increment part, 11, primary, auto increment part. After that product ID, PRO ID. This one will be the product ID. Here make it as 11. Another one is a product name. This one will be the important stuff, product name. This always watcher, 215 5 characters. Here product description, so let me write as description varchar 215 characters. After that, let me go back to our Word document and check it. Cat ID and brand ID. So here we write at cat ID 11. This one will be the BR ID. This one will be the brand ID. You have to put here. Another column will be reorder level. So RE11. Let me put the short format RE11. That's meaning of reorder level. It's also integer. Another one is maximum price, minimum price, and buying price. Okay. Here max price. This column called as max price, integer. Same thing. This one will be minimum price. So min price. Integer. Character will be 11. This one will be buying, buy price 11. This one will be the selling price. Sell price 11. One more thing is discount ID. The final thing is discount ID. Discount ID. That's it. 11. Okay. These are the relevant fields. You have to write it here. Okay. You have to write it. One more time you have to check whether you are select the relevant type of data type or not. Okay. Each and every columns. Okay. These are the relevant. Okay. Int. You have to check 2 times. Okay. This is very must things. Okay. Okay. I checked. Now if all are correct, you click save and save the table. Okay. Now this is the structure of your product table. Your product table consists of 12 columns. Okay. These are the data types. Okay. You have to check it on the structure table. If it is anything wrong, you can change here. There will be the function which is called as action. Here it's change. If there is any wrong of this column, you just here product ID, you just click on the change button. You can change whatever you need. Okay. That's easy stuff. Just product structure, you just check it. Okay. The same thing here also as well. You have to check like this. Okay. I hope you guys understood this tutorial so far. In one more table we have to create, that is a discount table. So click on the post main and here discount, table name is discount. Here how many columns? 1 2 3. So we write 3 and click go. This one will be the ID. So auto increment part. Click. This one will be the discount name. Sorry, it's gone wrong. Here let me put like this. This one will be the auto increment part. Here we will write like this. Discount also we like additional column also. ID. This one will be the this ID. Okay, this ID. This is a discount ID. Here we let me put as like this 001 like this. Okay. So we need 4 columns. So let me click the post database and here 4 columns. Name is discount. I already wrote so that it is pop up here. Okay. Click go. Here first one will be ID int 11 auto increment, sorry, primary. Second one will be the discount ID DIS mean discount ID 11. Third one will be the discount name. This name, this should be varchar 255 characters. The final one will be the amount, discount amount. Okay, this one will be the integer, give as 11. Okay, click save and save. You just check 2 times it's correct or not. Okay, help of the Word document. Okay, after that, if all are correct, click on the save button below the table. Here, click on this. Okay, you successfully save the table of discount. Now you successfully created 4 tables. Okay, inside the database. The main database name will be postmain. The postmain consists of 4 tables: brands, category, discount, and product tables. I hope you understood so far how to create the database and database table. In my next tutorial, we discuss about the login form of the point of sale. Okay guys, if you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.